Hey peeps, welcome back. Where the truth doesn't knock, it kicks the door in. What was supposed to be routine quickly turns into say it with confidence and hope nobody notices. Problem is, people are noticing. Answers don't quite match, details don't quite sit right, and the more it unfolds, the harder it becomes to ignore what's right in front of us. Names like Baloyi and Gininda are now right in the middle of it, as more gets revealed, piece by piece. So sit back, stay sharp. This one doesn't need hype. It exposes itself. Watch closely.
Mr. Zondo, do you have any knowledge about the commission of the offense that we are busy with in this case?
Ukhona yini okwaziyo ngesehlakalo lesi ke esipha noma ke ukwenzeka kwesehlakalo lesi ngaso la phambi kwenkantolo namuhla?
Angazi lutho Nkosi enkantolo.
I know nothing, my lord.
When the police firstly approached you, did they tell you the reason why they approached you at the time when they came to you?
Ngesikhathi eza ngaso kuwena amaphoyisa ingabe bakutshela yini isizathu sokuthi beze kuwena?
Nkosi enkantolo ngicela ukuthi uchaze ngakaphenduli ummeli wami straight ipendulo.
May I explain, my lord, before I give a straight answer to the legal representative?
Nkosi enkantolo ukuthatha kwami mina lapha ya ngithathela ukuthi ngivakashela uMaphisa ngilethele indaba ngiyoyibuka kwicamera. Okwawo bese kushintsha ngokwasenzo meyiba uthola mase ngaphakathi sengiyovalelwa estoksini.
My lord, when I was being taken there, I was taken with the allegation that I was visiting Maphisa, my lord, and that I was taken to go and view the video footage, my lord. With regards to the matter of Senzo Meyiwa, that is something that I found out about when I was now already inside.
So when the police took you, they did not tell you that you were being investigated or you were a suspect in the case of Senzo Meyiwa?
Uma bekuthatha awashongo kuwena amaphoyisa noma bakazasho kuwena amaphoyisa ukuthi uthathelwa ukuthi ke umsolwa nokuphenyo abalenzayo lecala lika Senzo Meyiwa.
Akaze kasenkantolo.
They never said, my lord.
When you were detained at the police station, according to your examination in chief, were you explained the reasons why you were detained?
Ngesikhathi usugciniwe ke uvalelwe lapha yana e-police station, bakutshela yini isizathu sokuthi ke bakugcine lapha e-police station?
Usenkantolo akaze bengitshela.
They never informed me, my lord.
You also mentioned that there's a document that was issued to you when you were at the station. You
Ushilo
remember?
ke nokuthi ngesikhathi ke use-police station kunephepha phecelezi ke i-document owayinikwa.
Yebo kunjalo Nkosi enkantolo.
Yes, that's correct, my lord.
Who issued that document to you?
Ubani owakunika?
Nganikwa iphoyisa lela lingicharger lingithengisa ne2.
It was the police officer that charged me, my lord, as well as taking my thumbprints, my lord.
Was it explained to you what type of the form that was given to you?
Wachazelwa yini ukuthi ke iphepha linye lelo noma ke iphepha lani lelo owawunikwa?
Angichazelwa Nkosi enkantolo.
No, my lord, it wasn't explained.
You were also not explained the reason for your detention.
Nokugcinwa kwakho noma ke ukuvalelwa kwakho nalokho awuzange uchazelwe futhi.
Kunjalo Nkosi enkantolo.
That is indeed correct, my lord.
For how many days were you detained in the police custody?
Wawuvalelwe amalanga amangaki e-police station?
Nkosi enkantolo ezandleni zabomthetho ngathathwa kuyi Friday.
I was taken on a Friday, my lord.
Estoksini ngazo kuyi Friday ngabo 6:15 late so. Ngazofaka estoksini ekseni ngabo 2:03.
It was past 6, my lord, in the evening, and then it was around 3 in the early hours of the Saturday morning, my lord, when I was placed in the cells.
Nkosi enkantolo ngalala ubusuku obodwa bangumgqibelo bazothi ngakusasa ngeSunday ilapha ngihambisa khona.
I only slept for one night, my lord, which was the Saturday, and then the Sunday, that is when I was let go.
From 6 o'clock when you were taken from your house until 3 o'clock in the morning when you were detained, where were you?
Phakathi ko-6 njengoba uthi ke u-6 noma past 6 lo bakuthatha ngawo ekhaya noma ke endlini kwakho kuze kube u-3 noma ke phambi ko-3 nje uma usuyofakwa ke estoksini. Phakathi kwaleso sikhathi leso wawukuphi?
ngangisemotweni Nkosi enkantolo ngihamba nje kuphela ngingazi ukuthi ngiyaphi ngingaboni kodwa ngisemotweni.
I was in the vehicle, my Lord, just going up and down, not knowing, and I was also not able to see as to where I was going, but I was just in the vehicle.
Were you assaulted at that stage?
Ingabe washaywa yini ngaleso sikhathi leso?
Ukushawa ngishaywe uma ngiqala ukuthathwa endlini mangena i-N4 ngiza ngapha sikhathi ngifakwa i-plastic shawe lapho Nkosi enkantolo.
When I was assaulted, my Lord, was when I was taken from my home, or my house, placed in the vehicle when we traveled on the N4, and the plastic was put over me. That's when I was assaulted.
When the plastic was put over your head, how were you assaulted?
Usufakiwe uplastic kuwena ke washaywa kanjani?
Khona phe ngishawe khona ngingafuni ukufaka uplastic senginqaba ngithi ikhanda phansi ashawa ngempama.
Where I was assaulted, my Lord, was where I was refusing to put in the plastic, and then I sort of bent my head down. The witness indicating, my Lord, with his head downwards. That's when I was smacked with an open hand.
Ngakhahlelwa lapha eswini isicathulo ngathi sikambuzi ngakhahlelwa ngase ngivuma ke lapho ngavusa ikhanda ngavumela umthetho bawufaka uplastic.
I was then kicked on the side. The witness is indicating, my Lord, on the side of his tummy towards the left, with a shoe that looked like a boot or resembled a boot, my Lord. That's when I picked my head up and then allowed them then to put the plastic.
Were you able to see who assaulted you?
Come again, sorry.
Were you able to see who assaulted you?
Wawubona yini noma wabona yini ukuthi ubani wayekushaya?
Owengishaye kwaku Mabhena.
It was Mabhena.
And you also testified that when the police entered inside your house was searched.
Ushilo ke nokuthi ke ngesikhathi amaphoyisa engena kwakho basesha.
Nkosi enkantolo bakhahlela umbhede bawuphamisa phezulu.
They kicked the bed, my Lord, and lifted it up.
Did the police ask the permission from you to search your house?
Bayicela yini imvume kuwena ukuthi baseshe kwakho?
Chaza becela Nkosi enkantolo.
No, my Lord, they never asked.
Did the police showed you any search warrant?
Ikhona yini incwadi phecelezi ke i-search warrant abakhombisa yona ebavumelayo noma ebanikeza igunya lokuthi bakwenze lokho?
Ayikho Nkosi enkantolo.
None, my Lord.
You further testified that you were asked to confirm if you knew the accused before court. Is that your evidence?
Ushilo ke nokuthi ke base bekubuza ke ukuthi uqinisekise ukuthi uyabazi yini abasola laba phambi kwenkantolo. Ubufakazi bakho lokho. Babethi kuwena uqinisekise ukuthi uyazana yini nabasola.
Basho nje Nkosi enkantolo uthi ngiyazana nabo.
That's what they said, my Lord, to whether I knew them.
And did you make any statement to that effect?
Ukhona ke istatement owasenza mayelana nako lokho.
I-statement yangasenza Nkosi enkantolo yiso esangiseyuveni esangasenza ngibuza ukuthi mazi kanjani lo ngiyamazi ngazi kanjani yiso leso.
That is the statement that I made, my Lord, in Newville. Whether do I know this one and how do I know that this one, my Lord? That is the statement I'm referring to.
Is there anything else that you said other than the information about knowing the accused before this court?
Ngaphandle ke kwalokho ukuthi ke uyabaza abasola kukhona yini okunye wakusho? Ngaphandle kokuthi uyabaza khona okunye wakusho?
Akukho Nkosi enkantolo kuye ngakusho.
There's nothing else that I said, my Lord.
In the statement did you sign any statement on that time when you were being interviewed by the police?
Ngaleso sikhathi leso ke amaphoyisa ayinenhlolo khona nawe kunestatement owasayinda yini?
Ngasayina yini?
Yasayina yena.
Nkosi enkantolo yiso lesi engathi mangicela ubaba uGininze ukusifunda ngibukweluleka kombhalo walo wamshintsha ubuso walo ukuthi ngisifunde ngasayina.
That is the statement, my Lord, that I requested to go through and to read from Mr. Gininza, my Lord, and then he refused and his facial expression changed. I then signed.
So was the statement read back to you? The full statement, content of that statement, was it read back to you?
Loko okwakubhaliwe kuleso statement leso wakufundelwa yini?
Kusenkantolo azengifundele.
My Lord, it wasn't read, or it wasn't read back.
Now let's go on to the date when you were in consultation with Advocate Baloyi.
Asiyeke manje kwilanga leli ke oweza ngalo ke uzokhulumisana no Advocate Baloyi.
Did Advocate Baloyi read the statement, any statement to you?
Kune statement akufundela sona yini uAdvocate Baloyi?
Kunjalo kusenkantolo.
That is indeed correct, my Lord.
Did you agree with the content of the statement that was read to you by Advocate Baloyi?
Wavumelana yini nalokho okwakubhaliwe kuleso statement leso awayekufundela sona ubaba Baloyi?
Azengivumelani nakho kusenkantolo.
I did not agree, my Lord.
Why?
Kungani?
Ingoba wathi mengifundele ubabaloyi ngathi akusisi some statement.
It's because, my Lord, when Mr. Baloyi read it out to me, I then said, no, this is not my statement.
Yeah, what made you to say this was not your statement to Baba Baloyi?
Akuyini lokho okwakwenza ukuthi uthi cha Baba Baloyi lesi statement akusona sami?
Ukukhuluma ngokhona phana yikho lokumayelana ukuthi uTanzi wathi wangitshena ukuthi wadubula usenzo meyiwa.
It was with regards to the fact, my Lord, that Ntanzi had told me that he shot Senzo Meyiwa.
What else, if you can still recall?
Uma kusakhumbula kwakuyikuphi kunye?
Kusenkantolo mangasakhumbula okunye kwayikuphi kodwa khumbula lapha mangithi babaloyi akusi statement samliso wathi babaloyi no labantu abebhala abasazi kahle isiZulu.
Although I can't remember well, my Lord, but what I do recall when I said to Mr. Baloyi, this is not my statement. Mr. Baloyi then said that the people who wrote here are not that well conversant in isiZulu.
In that statement, did you implicate any of the accused in this matter?
Kuleso statement leso khona yini kubasola laba abaphambi kwenkantolo owabafaka ecaleni uthi ukhona ukubahlanganisa necala?
Angizahlumbuza okusuka ngakimi.
Okusuka kuwena utshela amaphoyisa kuleso statement leso okhuluma ngaso.
Yeah.
Ukhona yini owakusho ukusho ngabasolwa laba abahlanu abaphambi kwenkantolo ukuthi abasolwa laba bayambandakanyeka kulecala leli?
Cha, akukho kusenkantolo.
No, nothing, my Lord.
On the 26th of October 2014, when the deceased was shot in this matter, do you still remember where were you?
Ngey 26 sika October 2014 ngelanga umufi kulona icala leli awadutshulwa wabulawa ngalo, ingabe usakhumbula yini ukuthi wawukephi nendawo?
Yebo kusenkantolo.
Yes, my Lord.
Tell the court.
Tshela inkantolo.
Ngangisemsebenzini ngenight shift iSunday ngazophuma ekuseni.
I was at work, my Lord, working night shift. It was a Sunday and then knocked off in the morning.
Did you meet with accused number 5 on the 26th of October 2014?
Ngey 26 zika October 2014 wahlangana yini nomsola wesihlanu?
Ongibani kusenkantolo?
Who is he?
Mr. Ntuli?
Ntuli?
Cha, kusenkantolo azengihlangane naye.
No, my Lord, I never met with him.
Do you have any idea as to where was Mr. Ntuli on the 26th of October 2014?
Unalo yini ulwazi lokuthi wayekephi nendawo ngazi 26 zika October 2014 yena Ntuli?
Anginalo ulwazi kusenkantolo.
No, I have no idea, my Lord.
Thank you, my lord. I have no further questions.